So we are going to turn on the Heartware monitor to hook our Heartware controller up to the monitor, and you can see the power buttons up on top. You have to press and hold it in until you hear a beep, and then it takes a second for the monitor to warm up. Alright, I lied, longer than a second. It takes about 20 seconds for it to warm up. While it's warming up, you can go ahead and get your data cable, which is off to the right-hand side of the unit when facing. It's also identified by a baby blue ring around the end. And then you're going to open up your pack so that you can see the monitor port. It's going to be plugged with a little black rubber plug, and then you will line the white arrow up with the white dot. Press firmly till it snaps into place. And then you will see that you will get the information on your monitor. Once you're hooked up to your monitor, you can then go into the pump icon, and then you will have to plug in your password, which is 68773. And that's nurse on a phone if you forget, but it's also labeled at the top of the monitor. And then in this screen you'll see across the bottom you have speed control tab, a setup tab, and an alarm setting tab. And in the setup tab, under the first tab across the top, which is the patient tab, this is where you change your hematocrit to update your hematocrit when it's out of 5% range compared to the patient's latest CBC. When you look across the top, you see other tabs for VAD, controller, and monitor. And then down the bottom you have speed control setup and alarm settings. So we can check the alarm settings from the alarm setting tab, and you will see here that you'll have a low flow alarm limit, which will be set never less than 2 or 2 below where his average flow is, and a high power alarm which is set at approximately 2 above his average watts. And that should be the information that you need to check.